quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a border to your photo in Adobe Photoshop. So let's go. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So in this quick tutorial, let's see how to add a border to a photo or picture or images in Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here. Just click on File, then you have to make sure you click on Open, or you press Ctrl+O to open a file. So right here, I'm going to look for the image from my PC right here. So I have the image that I want to use as an example right here in my PC. So I'm going to use this image right here, then I'm going to click on Open. So here we go. So what we want to do next is to make sure we add border to this particular image without disturb the quality and the size of the image. So what we want to do is to make sure we go to the top right here, then we have to go to image, then from image we make sure we look for canvas size. Then from the dialog box right here, first thing first, I'll make sure this relative is checked. Then I'll come here and switch to the inches right here. Then I can make this 5 inch for the width. Then I can come to the height and make it 5 or so. Then you can come to the color right here. So for the background color, you can select on any color of your choice, and then you click on OK, or you browse order from this point here. You can choose color of your choice. So next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here and click on OK. Boom. So it's going to automatically add border to your image. Let's, for instance, you want to change this particular border color. So what you want to do is to make sure you come down below right here, make sure you create a new layer. Then you have to fall back to this particular layer right here and make sure you unlock the layer. For you to unlock the layer, just double click on it and the layer is going to be unlocked. What we want to do is to make sure we drag this layer to the top of the new layer right here. Okay, so the next thing we want to do here is to make the layer active. Then we have to go to our toolbar right here. We click and hold down, then we make sure we choose Magic Wonder. Then we have to select this particular color right here. Then we press the delete key on our keyboard. Next thing you want to do is to go to select, and we make sure we click on the select. Then next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on our move tool. Then we have to fall back to the background layer. What we want to do is to come down below right here. We have to make sure we look for layer style, create adjusted layer. Then from adjusted layer, we can use gradient color or solid color. So I'm going to select on solid color. Right here, by default, we have a foreground color as the color on this particular image. So from here, we can change to another color of our choice. It's as simple as that. We can simply pick a color even from the dress. It's as simple as that. Okay, so once you're satisfied with the color, then what you want to do is to make sure you click on OK. So I'm going to take it back to the red and click on OK. It's as simple as that. If you want to change the color, click on here, double click on here, then the color wheel is going to pump up. Then you can walk around with the color and change it for yourself and click on OK. It's as simple as that. So this is how to add a border to your image without losing the quality or size of the image in your Adobe Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.